My name is Vilnius. I'm very proud of the Vilnius. I'm very proud of the Lithuania. I'm very proud. I'm from the Vilnius. I'm born here, and I think I die here. So happy birthday, Vilnius!
Yay! Thank you very much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today Vilnius is celebrating her 700th year birthday and it's so exciting. The city is vibrant. We are celebrating from the 25th to the 28th, but let's take it back a little bit to when all the celebration began. So on this 25th of January 1323, the Grand Duke Gediminas wrote a letter mentioning Vilnius for the first time in written sources. In a letter to Lubeck, Strasbourg, Bremen, and some other cities in Germany and around Europe at the time, he invited soldiers, merchants, craftsmen, clergy people to settle in Lithuania. So this celebration had begun since that time until date. We don't make celebrations every year, but when you're 700, you better be celebrating. This day it was bright, it was beautiful weather, and the first thing that I noticed on that day was there was free public transportation, so you could get on the buses without paying any fees. The other way to mark the celebration was Domino's Pizza was offered 700 pizzas to residents of Vilnius, so you could go there and pick up something. So definitely shout out to Domino's for doing that. It's amazing. Like, I know someone that got the pizza and yeah, it's yummy. Anyway, in the evening we had a concert, so a lot of people, literally the city center, the cathedral, this is our square, I will call it, was absolutely packed out. There were a lot of people in the city center on that day, but it was so beautiful. There was concert happening. There was also light festival, which happens every year, that was happening at the same time as the birthday. So there was music, beautiful music. All the music were just really just celebrating Vilnius, you know, singing about Vilnius, the city, the rivers, like things that are very prominent in the country. So these were all the things going on. And while I was there, I had some locals. I said, you know what, let's see what they have to say to Vilnius. And that's what you see in the next clips.
We have a dog that is very, very happy today. Hi, what's your name?
Gedre and Lina.
Lina. Oh, very nice to meet you. Today is Vilnius. We're celebrating 700 years.
Yes.
How does that feel for you as Lithuanians?
It's crazy. It's already 700 years. And it's really nice to have a lot of people here. And it seems really nice.
Yeah, are you from Vilnius?
At this moment, yes, but we are from the second biggest city.
Kaunas?
Yes.
Okay. What would you like to say to Vilnius today?
I would say let's stay as we are, because we are really happy, really crazy people, and just hoping that we will have more great years for Lithuania.
Yes.
Another 700 years.
Another 700. I hope so. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Vilnius. What is your name?
Egle.
Egle, very nice to meet you. What would you like to say to Vilnius today?
Yeah, Vilnius, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Are you from Vilnius?
Yes, I'm from Vilnius.
Happy
Vilnius,
birthday.
su gimtadieniu.
What is your name?
My name is Neringa.
Koks Vadas?
Rimas.
Rimas. Are you from Vilnius?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
You're from Vilnius. And what would you like to say to Vilnius today? We're celebrating 700 years.
We want to wish the best years of Vilnius and just happy birthday Vilnius.
Happy birthday, Vilnius. And
Happy birthday, Vilnius.
happy birthday. Thank you very much.
Su gimtadieniu, Nėra, linkiu visko ko geriausio.
Ačiū labai.
Prašau. My name is Vilnius. I'm very proud of the Vilnius. I'm very proud of the Lithuania. I'm very proud. I'm from the Vilnius. I'm born here, and I think I die here. So happy birthday, Vilnius!
Yay, thank you.
So we wish Vilnius to be prosperous, to attract as much people as possible, because it's a beautiful and lovely city that everyone should visit.
Yes, thank you very much, and I hope that I pray that things will go well in Ukraine as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.